waiting at the station, standing by the gate, my suitcase beside me. I hope I'm not too late. There's a taxi in front of me, a cafe near the road, a bicycle next to it, and a truck with a heavy load. I look behind the building, then further beyond the square. There are people inside the market and music everywhere. I'm walking among the travelers with voices all around, but within this busy city there's a rhythm in every sound. At the corner, by the door, on the ceiling, on the floor, behind, beyond, inside too, among the crowd I'm coming through. Within, in front of, next to, near, beside the window, standing here, above, below, under, over. Prepositions take me everywhere. A plane flies above the rooftops, the subway runs below. A road goes under the railway while traffic moves so slow. The bridge reaches over the river, street lights shine around. I put my ticket upon the counter, then pick it from the ground. I rest my backpack against the wall, my jacket's on the chair. A stranger sits beside me, another waits right there. The signs are all around us, the clock is above the hall, the tunnel lies under the station, and posters cover every wall. At the corner, by the door, on the ceiling, on the floor, behind, beyond, inside too, among the crowd I'm coming through. Within, in front of, next to, near, beside the window, standing here, above, below, under, over. Prepositions take me everywhere. Where's the bag on the seat? Where's the dog at my feet? Where's the bus by the sign? Where's my friend right beside mine? What's above the open sky? What's below? The trains go by. What's behind the road we knew? What's in front of us? Something new. At by, behind, beyond, inside, among, keep moving on. Within, in front of, above, around, below, under, all around town, upon, over, next to, against, near, beside, on. It all makes sense. Place, positions, where things belong. That's what prepositions do in this song.